What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you some examples regarding solving quadratic equation using quadratic formula. First example is 4x squared plus x minus 3 equals to 0. So a is 4, b is 1, c is negative 3. So we have negative b, negative 1 plus minus b squared 1 minus 4 times a times negative 3 divided by 2a, 2 times 4. So that will be negative 1 plus minus 1 plus negative 3 times 4, negative 12 times negative 4 is going to be positive 48 divided by 2 times 4, 8. So that will be negative 1 plus minus square root of 49 divided by 8, which will be negative 1 plus minus 7 over 8. So that will be negative 8 over 8 and 6 over 8. So that will be negative 1, here will be 3 over 4. So these are the two answers. Next example. We had the quadratic formula in previous parts. This is part 5. If you haven't watched those 4 parts, I recommend you to go back and start from part 1. Next example, we have 4y squared minus 9y plus 5 equals to 0. A is 4 because we have x squared plus bx plus c. So a is 4, b is negative 9, c is 5. So negative b will be negative, negative 9 will be positive 9. Plus minus b squared 81 minus 4 times a, which is 4, times c, which is 5, divided by 2 times a, which is 8. So that's x1, y1 and y2. So y1 and y2 are 9 plus minus 5 times 4, 20. 20 times 4, 80. So we'll do 81 minus 80 divided by 8. So that will be 9 plus minus 1, because square root of 1 is 1. And then we have 9 plus 1 divided by 8. The other one is 9 minus 1 divided by 8. That will be 5 over 4. And here we have 1. So these are the two answers to this question. Next example. We have 2x squared minus 7x plus 3 equals to 0. This example, a is 2, b is negative 7, c is positive 3. So that will be x1 and x2 are negative b plus minus b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So negative b will be positive 7 plus minus b squared is 49 minus 4, a is 2, c is 3 divided by 2 times a, which is 4. So we have plus 7 plus minus 49, 4 times 2, 8 times 3, 24. So we have plus 7 plus minus 49 minus 24 is 25 divided by 4. So then we have 7 plus minus square root of 25 is 5 over 4. 7 plus 5 over 4. 7 minus 5 over 4 are the two answers. This will be 12 over 4, which is 3. The other one is 2 over 2, which is 2 over 4, sorry. 2 over 4 is 1 over 2. So these are the two answers. Next example. Three m squared plus 8m minus 3 equals to 0. m1 and m2 are a is 3, b is 8, c is negative 3. So negative b, negative 8 plus minus b squared 64 minus 4ac divided by 2a, which is 6. Negative 3 times negative 4, 12, times 3, 36. That's going to be plus. So we have negative 8 plus minus 64 plus 36 is 100. So that will be negative 8 plus minus square root of 100 is 10 over 6. So that will be negative 8 minus 10 divided by 6, and the other one negative 8 plus 10 over 6. So that's negative 18 over 6, which is negative 3, and here we have 2 over 6, which is 1 over 3. Next example. We have s squared plus 7s plus 12 equals to 0. A is 1, B is 7, C is 12. So then we have, answer is negative b plus minus b squared 49 minus 4 times 1 times c divided by 2 times a, which is 2 times 1, and it is 2. Negative 7 plus minus 49 minus 4 times 1 times 12 is 48. So 49 minus 48 is going to be 1, and square root of 1 is 1. So we have negative 6 over 2 and negative 8 over 2, which will be negative 4 and negative 3. That's the S1 and S2. Next example. We have x squared plus 3x minus 18 equals to 0. A is 1, B is 3, C is negative 18. x1 and x2 are negative b plus minus b squared 9 minus 4 times 1 times negative 18 divided by 2a, which is 2. Negative 3 plus minus 18 times 3, 72, plus 9, 81. So that will be negative 3 plus minus 9 over 2. So we have negative 12 over 2, negative 6. Positive 6 over 2 is going to be 3. So we have negative 6 and positive 3. Next example. We have x squared minus 8x minus 33 equals to 0. A is 1 in this example, B is negative 8, and C is negative 33. So x1 and x2 are negative b, which is positive 8, plus minus b squared 64 minus 4 times 1 times negative 33 divided by 2 times a, which is 2. 8 plus minus 33 times 4 will be 132. With 64 is going to be 196 over 2. Square root of 196 is 14. So the answers are 8 plus 14 divided by 2, 8 minus 14 divided by 2. That will be 22 divided by 2, which is 11. And here is negative 6 over 2 is negative 3. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video and you found it useful, please like this video and subscribe this channel. You can find out lots of videos regarding math and science. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and have a great day.